Everyone tells you to invest in index funds and wait 40 years to get rich. But honestly, who wants to wait until they're 70 to start living their life? What if you could cut that timeline in half? Today, I'm breaking down the Income Accelerator, a strategy to build a financial time machine. Building wealth slowly is safe, but what if you want to reach that finish line 5 or 10 years sooner? You need the 50/50ths Accelerator. It's a strategy that balances total safety with aggressive income generation. Here's how it works. 50% of your money goes into your fortress, those super safe ETFs that form your foundation. This is your insurance policy. The other 50% goes into what I call income accelerators. Things like REITs or closed-end funds. These can pay much higher dividends, sometimes 8% to 10%. Now, here's the pro move. You take the fat dividend checks from your aggressive investments and reinvest them back into your safe stocks. You're literally using high yield to pay for your own safety. This creates a powerful double compounding effect. Your portfolio grows from your own contributions and from the aggressive income you're feeding back into it. This isn't for everyone. It requires discipline. But if you're ready to speed up your retirement, this is the blueprint. Success in the market belongs to those who have a plan, not just a hope. If you want to see my personal top 3 accelerators for 2026, hit that follow button and comment speed below. I'm sending a breakdown of high-quality REITs to everyone who joins the conversation. Thanks for watching. Let's get ahead of the curve together.